Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you have ever muted someone's Instagram notes and now you're wondering from where can you unmute those notes from that specific person, today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that in a very easy and direct method. So follow up with me till the very end to make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it. First, we need to get something out of the way. Open Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using. Simply search for Instagram to make sure you have the app updated for everything to work properly and to face no problems during this process. After that, you can quit the store. Now open Instagram. From here, let's head out first to Notes by tapping here in the top right corner on the Chats icon right there. And at the top, you find all the unmuted notes right here. To mute any note, you need to tap and hold on it and then tap on Mute Notes in the bottom, and then you confirm in this window by tapping Mute Notes just like that. As you can see, it says that you can unmute the notes from this person by going to their profile, but most likely once you go to their profile you find no option to unmute the notes from here. So what you need to do is to actually now go to open your profile. So tap here in the bottom right corner on your profile picture to open the profile, of course, and then from here tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open this menu. From here we need to go to settings, so tap on settings and privacy at the top right there. And from here, without even needing to scroll down, you find the muted accounts option right here. You can instead search for it in the top. If you cannot find it, just search for muted and tap on muted accounts. From here you find the muted account right there. Tap on unmute right next to it. You get this menu from the bottom right next to mute notes. Go ahead and toggle this one off. Once you do that, the notes will be unmuted for this specific user. And that is basically, guys, how can you unmute and even mute notes on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them, and of course subscribe for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.